Hello everyone, welcome back to On This Tape. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create poll in Telegram. So in order to do that, open up Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the app, at the top you can see create polls or voter bot. In the message box option, you can see something like attachment option, which is also used to upload images, audio or many things. Click on it and there you can see the poll option. Click on the poll option and add an option. Like here I have written football, volleyball and basketball. So in the question I have written what do you prefer. You can see the create option there. Click on it and here you have successfully created a poll in Telegram. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.